Jim. Hello, everyone. I came with the thoughts, a question. Are we in already? You could recall I told us that we have finished this leg of the reversal has reformed, which we are supposed to bounce from here. I told us that market makers that these days that they don't move it like before, don't move it like this anymore. Rather, they will do it like this, extend it. Yeah. Now, question is, are we in or are we forming an inverse head and shoulder? One, go up here, reverse. So if this is the case, two things I'm feeling like we are forming right here. Either we are forming this W and form, or forming this reverse head and shoulder. So whichever we are forming, I think we are almost in. So I will advise you to watch out, see on your charts, watch out the market move. I think we are almost there. When I saw the inflows on hyperliquid, I feel like we are already there. So just watch out. The consolidation on this BTC going on. BTC consolidation. Once this is done and successfully breakout, we are already out. Movement has started. And I can tell you that this might be the bull run we're looking for, because I feel like the market makers are smart. They might feel like we are all anticipating this downward movement, this liquidity. Here, you see where I marked all the liquidity. I'm expecting that we should come to 107. But because these guys are smart, they know that everybody's now beginning to talk about the same thing. 105, 195, all this, that. They might try to surprise everybody. What will they do? They will come here because today is already weekend right here in Asia. What they will do, they will be consolidating all through today. Go up, come down, go up, come Sunday. Look at, or they might still consolidate Sunday, probably Monday. Because I'm expecting that liquidity will be nuts. Because the previous liquidity have right here. So they might surprise us because they have been forming this pattern right here. And they have attempted to break, and they have tested. Let me show you what they did 2 minutes. I've tried to break out back at it. So an attempt was made, breakout. Later retested it. I'm gonna take you on BTC. I wanna show you what I'm saying. I think we are there. Okay, now see, we formed pattern. We break out. We came back now and retest. Now we are moving up. If this successfully move again and take this highs, I think we might be there. We are almost there. If we successfully, if this breakout successfully happen, right? If we, since we have done this breakout, Bitcoin touched 110, 110 plus, came back, test it, breakout, be in. So because today is already Saturday, Asia, so I don't know how far. Oh, yeah, we're already 6:27 a.m. We're almost there. But I think you put in your eyes on that. We are almost there. We have attempted to break and came back to retest. Once this one breaks out, we are gone. We're gonna come and take the claim this highs. Why I started this very early, usual, because I told the people that we had issue on the yes, so we just fixed it like last night. I was trying to sleep also, but I couldn't sleep. I said, let me come and do some session. I'm that great. So and liquid yesterday, I posted hyperliquid AB. I tweeted it that I'm strength. Whenever I start seeing strength on OKB and hyperliquid, that means fresh money is market. I saw this hyperliquid, hyperliquid money is full because I made a trend line with return from this pattern again. Okay, if this is this, that means already have some liquidity in the market because once OKB rent, that means there's a big liquidity market. Then also hyperliquid as well. Hyperliquid was shows strength as well. Hyperliquid is just breaking. Nice. But I saw it from here. Just strength from here. Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid. That's gonna be. Gonna see that around $50 very soon. So I think we are almost in. I see Astra. Now I see trade very very sweet movement on trade today. trade to form a very sweet movement, but Bitcoin was not did not allow trade to not actually not Bitcoin though, because market makers are no longer giving us exactly how they use the pattern. The pattern now is becoming difficult. Only those that know the chart pattern can wait. Now see trade though. Trade after this pump that he made, he retested, form our usual pattern, and it almost moving. Market do it. Make a sharp breakout downward, claim the lows again. Moving. Trade also, I'm already in on. So trade have retested. Test again and got a ride on trading. So all my eyes is on trade. I advise you also to watch the market, watch the likes of MYX. MYX has overdone on the 4 hours. It's overdone. Ready for a ride. Okay. MYX has gone on the pump, retested successfully. MYX is gonna once this MYX breakout. Oh, he's gonna claim this $18. At least $17. He's gonna claim it immediately once he finish this. Once he see this breakout that's about happening, explosive. Pop.phone as well. Pop.phone has done his, came back, retested. Please put your eye. I think we are almost in. Just want to bring it to your notice that we are almost there. You can see beautiful sweet movement on what? On glass. I told you the other day, glass made that pump, so retested. So we are almost in every. The only thing that will delay us because it's weekend. Weekend might be a little bit slow, a bit up and down on weekend. That's the only thing that might delay us because it's weekend. Bitcoin because of weekend might just Bitcoin because it's weekend daily because of daily might just give us this. This was the all-time high. Test, go again, come back and retest. So this is the last leg we are expecting. This daily might just give us 20 here because of weekend. Come back and might close with a bit of a strength. Then Sunday, people can remember before. Sunday used to be massive. So Sunday they might move on Sunday. They don't move on Sunday, definitely Monday morning. But I guess we are already in. Look at Solana. From $95 this day. Solana fought this is the of Solana. 92, yeah, I remember 92. Solana kissed 92. While and look at Solana now, 203. You know how it used to be. And the good thing is that Bitcoin dominance is dropping. For Bitcoin dominance to be dropping is in fact it's a good news for the entire altcoin. USDT dominance is going back to the test because for the first time USDT dominance approached this breakout for the longest. So USDT dominance need to come out retest. So before USDT dominance will do this retest breakout, where to retest over here. I think we already gotten something in the market for it to try again. But if it doesn't do like this, USD dominance does not do like this, and decide to come into the test as far as this and the bull run is already over. It's gonna be explosive. You know that it's not gonna happen straight away. It's gonna be it's gonna move, stop, pump, come back again, continue the testing. So I think we are almost there. I think we are almost there. I are there in the market. I think we are there already. We are almost. I are there. So that you might observe observe Bitcoin and other altcoin. Yes, we are almost there. if this is an inverse head and shoulder, move now, over. Then if this is W pattern, over. This you cannot understand what is forming right here. Only when gone, your eyes will open. Once you see this W now completed, eye will open to this pattern. This is the last chance you have. Once you break out of this consolidation, next chance will be if it inverse head and shoulder. Next chance will be this low. Your next chance. I guess for this breakout of this consolidation happening right here on the 4 hours, they might still consolidate because it's weekend. They might still consolidate more. I just break out again, come back again, and consolidate because it's weak. Once they break out, this W pattern is over. It's up. But if it's inverse head and shoulder, once they break out, back again and test from the right shoulder, like they did here. This last pump on the they have come to retest it. Came to retest this. Done. Inverse head and pump test. I think we are all out there. Idea. Well, I just came to. I've entered the market at. I think my first entry was 0.8, but I closed this 0.8. I took profit because I use this thing profit and close. Then I open again at this is 0.9. 0. This breakout. I've done this breakout. I write this breakout, and now it breakout. They entered waiting for this final leg. If this candle is going to take us out, or it's good because of weekend, just pump back again. Getting here because of weekend, there will be force to push this market. Unless you want to happen before the New York, but New York is almost closing very soon. Less than 1 hour, 21 minutes, New York will be closing. Not so much from New York right now because they are almost closing their section. So unless Asia is going to take us the ride, New York, they are almost coming to an end. So guys, put your eye out there and observe the market. Look for right token. Observe patterns. So what I'm going to do today is I woke up today. I will now put down. I will start putting down so token. I will now go on research on something that I'm going to put out there for us to that already that are prepared for it and write them on. Nice, active, stay safe. Have a then from here is good morning in the day. Just came to inform you that already there. Guys out there and observe if yeah or you're going to come and take this. Let's see what happens if. But because these market makers they know that all of us are waiting for this, I just abandon it. Pump. So stay safe, guys, and see you guys again. Next one. Bye for now.